Hi, good morning, class. This is the lecture for April 1st, Wednesday, and I hope you're doing okay. You guys need to hand in assignments. Not a lot of people are giving me assignments, and I want to pass as many people as possible despite this online classroom that we have now. Today, I'm going to talk to you about how to write an outline, okay? This is another pre-writing technique, okay? So for every essay we write in the 200 class, we will do a brainstorm or some kind of listing or the bubbles, the clusters, or question and answer. Those are all like pre-writing brainstorm. Okay, an outline is actually organizing your brainstorm. Okay, so we're going to be in our writing book, this one here. Okay, so take this out and turn to page 70. Well, actually, first 73. Okay, on this page, you will see a very clear outline, the title of the essay, How to Make Friends in a New Place. And then what the author did was write a thesis statement, and then 1, 2, and 3, and then a concluding sentence. Okay, so obviously, hopefully you know that the 1, 2, and 3 have to do with 3 body paragraphs in the essay. Okay, so what I did in this book, in this chapter, is I gave you some steps on how to create an outline, and I specifically used listing, a listing brainstorm for it. So take a minute and look at step 1. Okay, use listing to gather ideas for your essay. Now, we did this for an assignment, so before you even watch this lecture, you should do this assignment here that I assigned on page 69, how to make friends in a new place. So you need to do this first before you listen to this lecture, because it'll make more sense when you finish this. Okay, so all of these are some ideas. Now they're just thrown together quickly. It's a brainstorm. It's a listing brainstorm that I did. And there's just a bunch of ideas here. Okay, so I'll just mention a few. Play sports with people. Don't talk behind people's backs or gossip. Get a dog. Look and smell as nice as you can. Some of these are maybe a little crazy. Some of them are good. Be nice, take initiative, that's probably a good one. Be outgoing and friendly. But as you can see, when I wrote this brainstorm, I just wrote everything that I could think of. Okay, some of these things are funny. Okay, I'm sorry, I have a sense of humor. Like look and smell as nice as you can. But in general, I'm just listing whatever comes to my brain. Okay. So that's step 1, and we have practiced that now if you finished the homework. Step 2, well, then my question here was, did you have similar ideas in your brainstorm when you listed on this page here, page 69, what were your ideas on this? Okay, so you can compare the two. Next, you need to edit your list. Okay. So once you have written everything you can about your topic, start crossing things out, start organizing what your main points are, okay? And here's some directions if this is difficult for you. You can add to your brainstorm, you can cross out to your brainstorm, but try to come up with important ideas, okay? The most important ideas. All right, so this is an example, okay? Again, this is the same brainstorm, but as you can see, I crossed out quite a few things like this one, look and smell as nice as you can, or get a dog. And then this one here, for example, it used to say deep friends versus shallow friends, but I crossed it out and I wrote something better, something different, growing deep relationships with new friends, personal example. Okay, this personal example tells me how I'm gonna support my idea. Okay, so this is a little crazy to understand because I linked a bunch of things together with the numbers, but you can see I did find the 3 main points that I would like to develop in my essay. Number 1, be outgoing, friendly, don't be shy, overcome shyness. That was number 1. Number 2, take initiative, be the first to say to do something. And number 3, I did the one down here, okay? Now, maybe these are not the best ideas, okay? Maybe you have better ideas and that's fine. I was creating this to follow a student's essay, okay? So once you have your 3 main ideas, you will need to create an outline. So that's step number 3. We're on page 72 now. And then you basically create an outline. Now in my 200 class, all of your outlines for the rest of the essays we write in this class will have this exact format, okay? So first you need a title, okay, of your essay. Notice, I should talk to you about this while I'm here. Notice the title, okay? Some of the important words have capitals. The words that are not so important, like to, in, and are lowercase, okay? Also in the title, there's no period at the end, okay? So remember that when you write your title. Okay, next, I want to see a full thesis statement. Okay, so whatever you have for the thesis statement, it must be here. Why? Because students often forget to write a thesis statement in their essay. Many times I receive an essay draft and I see the outline with a beautiful thesis statement, but then the student forgets to transfer that thesis statement to their essay, their actual essay. And it's a mistake that many students make. So make sure you write a thesis statement in your outline and you also transfer it when you're ready to write your first draft into your essay, okay? All right, so here again we have the 3 main points, and as you can see under the Roman numerals here, now I don't care what kind of numbers you use or what kind of letters, just as long as it looks like this, okay? So number 1, what I have here is a full sentence, and this is my topic sentence. So first of all, you need to have a friendly attitude when you go to a new place, okay? So I'm looking for a full topic sentence for the main points, okay? And this is important as well so that you can transfer this topic sentence into your essay, okay? The next points, the supporting details here, or the stories that you might have to support your topic sentence. This you don't have to do full sentences. As you can see, I wrote smile. That is not a full sentence. Be open to different people, not really a full sentence. You would want to develop that idea more when you're writing the essay. Okay, so each of these 3 have a full topic sentence, and then just little bits and pieces here. Doesn't have to be perfect sentences underneath, okay? It just shows me, it should indicate to me, the teacher, that you know what you're going to write about in the paragraph, okay? Then always write at the bottom of your outline a concluding sentence. Okay, so in conclusion, these 3 skills can help you make friends in a new place. Okay, So in the thesis statement, it actually lists the 3 different skills. In the concluding sentence, it just says there are 3, and that's totally fine. Okay, these are short essays. You can have a short concluding sentence. All right, I hope that is good. Now for your homework, you are going to do activity 4. Okay, answer these questions about the outline up here. Let's see here. It's in your Blackboard, but I'm just going to show you on page 74. Activity 8. Okay, so this one, I want you to actually write an outline, okay? Now, because you're not going to write an essay about a job or school interview, you can leave a blank space for the thesis statement and the concluding sentence. I just want to see your 3 ideas, your 3 points that you come up with, okay? So that's the next one. And then we also have, let's see here. There's one more. Oh, an 8. Okay, so this thesis statement we are going to talk about on Friday. Okay, so you can skip this for now. But look at example essay number 1. Okay, and this is the essay, How to Make Friends in a New Place. That's from the outline. And as you can see, this is a good size essay. This is how you should write your essay, the length, if you can. And then do activity 8. Which is basically answering these questions, okay? All of these 3 activities, please submit to Turnitin, okay? And ask me questions during the lecture today, and hopefully I will come up with a few activities for our online class. So I'll do the same format as usual. Ask anyone who has a question can ask first, and then I'm gonna try and do a little bit online, like live with everybody. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye.